So here we go, first bonfire for the season. Not a bad size, this one. Had them a lot longer, a lot bigger. So the correct way to start the bonfire is to light it with the wind to your back. Now I use a mix of, hey envy, I use a mix of petrol and diesel that a guy gives me. He drains a lot of tanks and stuff from cars at servos that put the wrong fuel mix in, so just use a little bit because I'm never sure of the ratio that I've got this thing in. Sometimes it's a lot of petrol, not much diesel, sometimes a lot of diesel and not much petrol. So it's a pretty good one, this one. So get that started. There's not much wind today, so give it a bit of a spray. It's friggin' cold, so it's well good. There we go, it doesn't take much. It's pretty dry, all this stuff. This is the first burn for winter, so it's a lot of this timber and stuff's been sitting here for, we could burn from May until November, and November the fire ban comes in, so a lot of this stuff has been sitting there after November, so it's probably pretty tinder dry. Good God, it's hot, but not much wind. I normally have the wind to my back so I can get the fire to burn through the pile. There is a science to lighting bonfires, believe it or not, but like I said, today she's not much wind this morning. There's everything in there. There's old timber, there's cardboard. Certainly a nice thing to have going this cold morning. So this will generally burn for nearly a week. I know definitely inside there's some very big logs. Whew, that's warm. Well and truly ablaze now. Sometimes they have critters running out of there, birds flying out. One time we had a fox in there. Fortunately he wasn't burnt, he just ran out. The heat from this thing is absolutely intense.